Do y'all remember that last theme park forecast that we talked about in regards to the membership passes? Y'all remember that? Six Flags has heard you and has listened. They have changed their annual pass, their season pass tickets, so to speak. Pretty much they got rid of what we last talked about. Let's discuss it all and more. This is your theme park forecast. Well, hello there, and welcome back to another episode of Theme Park Forecast, everything under the umbrella of theme park news. Today, as I mentioned there in that opening, Six Flags has changed their model of their tickets. They might not have been doing well, I don't know for sure, but we did speculate here a little bit, here and there. So, let's discuss it. So with that, they have changed their whole ticket pass system. You remember the 3-tier ticket system, right? Beforehand, what was it? The Ultimate Pass and the so on and so forth. Well, you remember how people were raving and they were upset because the old membership passes went away, and then they were cheaper beforehand, and then they were wondering about the monthly payments. It wasn't as many. It wasn't as low. Well, they've heard you. Things have changed. They just introduced 3 new pass systems for Six Flags. The Thrill Seeker Pass, still there. The Extreme Pass, still there. But the Ultimate Pass, still there. But they tweaked it, as you can see here on the screen. They tweaked it a little bit. Now it's called the Annual Thrill Seeker Pass, the Annual Extreme Pass, and the Annual Ultimate Pass. What does that mean, Miguel? What does that all entail? So pretty much everything that you already know and somewhat, I guess, love about it. But annual is the key word. So with that, the annual Thrill Seeker Pass, you are now it's now $9.62, or you do have the option to pay $115 in full, but $9.62. By the way, really quick before we continue, a little disclaimer here. So this can vary. For example, like Magic Mountains is probably higher, Great America is probably higher. Some other parks it will vary for this, but the annual pass type of ordeal is still there. But the pricing I'm looking at here is for my home park of Six Flags Over Georgia. So keep that in mind. Principle still applies, just the pricing may be different. Let's continue. As mentioned, $9.62, 12 payments of $9.62. Not bad. Not bad at all. So 12 payments, or you can pay a total of $115 for the annual Thrill Seeker Pass. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Now, just to kind of cover this over again, the benefits of it. Of course, you'll get admission to Six Flags Over Georgia. Once again, we're talking about my home park at Six Flags Over Georgia. This may vary for your home park, wherever that is, to Six Flags. And what I mean by that is access to Six Flags Over Georgia and Whitewater. Meaning we have a local water park nearby, so access to that one too. That is a Six Flags park. Of course, general parking, one single use skip the line pass for weekdays only for the theme park, 2 specialty rate tickets for friends and family, Six Flags Over Georgia blackout dates, unfortunately, for pretty much for Fright Fest, like core days. So that is the annual Thrill Seeker Pass. Once again, annual, key word there. 12 payments of $9.62. Next up, the middle tier one, the annual Extreme Pass. The annual Extreme Pass, 12 payments of $14.62. Or you can pay in full of $175 for the annual Extreme Pass. So, not bad. Just to go over the benefits once again, you get unlimited access to all Six Flags outdoor parks. So all Six Flags outdoor parks, general parking, merchandise discount of $35 off most items, food discount 20% off of most items, 2 single-use skip-the-line passes weekday visit only for theme parks only, no water parks, 5 specialty rate tickets for friends and family, 1-day dining plan, so dining plan for 1 day, and then flexible payment options. I don't feel like they updated that because all of these now have flexible payment options. Yeah, they'll get to it. Once again, for the annual Extreme Pass, 12 payments of $14.62. Again, they're listening. Not too bad. Not too bad as it was beforehand. You'll see right here on the screen right here, right now, what it was beforehand prior. For the 3 passes, this is what it is now. They're listening. Or they weren't profiting as much beforehand. One or the other, nonetheless, it works in your favor. Last but not least, is the annual Ultimate Pass, the last of the 3-tier new pass system. Annual, once again, the key word there, annual Ultimate Pass. 12 payments of $29.24. Not too bad, not too low, not too high, but still better than other theme parks out there for the highest tier pass system. It's doable. Again, 12 payments of $29.24. Or you can pay in full. Once again, you can pay in full $350. It's up to you if you want to do that, because I do know the community has spoken out. They have told me some people did like to pay in full, just all out there, pay the full amount, pay the full balance. But they did listen once again, as they did with the old membership system. You can do the 12 payment options, annual pass. So that's really good there. Once again, the annual Ultimate Pass, the benefits are unlimited visits to all Six Flags parks, preferred parking, reservation required, merchandise discounts, 35% off of most items, food discount, 20% off most items, 10 meal dining plan. Oh, that's pretty epic once again. 50% off discount on all season, the flash passes, 5 single use skip the line passes, any visit, theme parks only. So any visits, not just weekdays, any visits, which means weekends too. Food and beverage credits for $25, merchandise credits for $25, on top of going back up again, merchandise discount, 35% off of most items, and a $25 credit towards items for merchandise. Pretty cool, I guess. 10 specialty rate tickets for friends and family, and of course, as you see there, flexible pay options. Once again, all of these now have flexible pay options of 12 payments in different variety, in different amounts. I just wanted to hop on here, share it with you here on Theme Park Forecast. Once again, to wrap up, the annual Ultimate Pass, 12 payments of $29.24. Let me know in the comment section down below what you all think. Will this make you guys stay? Is this enticing enough to make you guys renew, stay members a little bit longer? While once again, the old membership passes, like I have, were considered legacy members for the time being. Don't know how long it'll last. But with this annual pass change system to these season passes, we may be seeing the end of the old membership passes, the gold, platinum, diamond, and diamond elite memberships. They may potentially, possibly end at the end of this 2022 season. So make sure you guys stay posted. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to stay in the loop on this, as I will continue to cover it and more. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, leave a big like, and comment. Share all your thoughts with me. I want to know. So my next video and or adventure, take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.